Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're finally going to be doing the Honey palette review, first impressions, because I have not used it. I've had it for over a week now and I have not used it and it has killed me. But the house below us got struck by lightning and our cord for our computer didn't work anymore, so we had to wait to film this. So I have the palette, I have the skincare, and this is not a first impression. This is a first impression, but I'm going to be letting you know how I think these perform, which I'm not biased, but I love Colourpop more than any other eyeshadow that I think I've ever tried. I love them. I use them on myself, on clients, and yeah, I just absolutely love them. And I have another one here that has not been opened to give away. So I have the winner of that giveaway and I'm going to announce them. Should I announce it at the end? No, I'll announce it at the end of my intro because I don't want you to have to wait forever. But so we're gonna be doing a look with this, a first impressions type thing. Yeah, I'm really excited. So don't forget to like, subscribe, for real, thank you, and hit the bell notification. And so I guess I'll go ahead and tell you who the winner of it. This is, the Instagram name is Mosey Posey, so I'll be contacting that person, and you won the Honey palette, so that's pretty exciting. First giveaway for me, obviously, because I'm still tiny YouTube channel, but that's okay, we'll get there. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I'll go ahead and give you my review on these little bad boys. It's the turmeric face milk and the glow up face oil. I don't know how I feel. So the problem with this is, and I've used these a few times, it's not just like I've used it once, and I know it's skincare, so you have to use it for a while to see any benefits. And I wasn't really looking for any immediate benefits. I was just gonna see how they like performed, I guess, or like how they made my face feel when I used them. So the first time I used them on my own without any makeup, and I went out, not out, but I went out and like, I actually went to church, okay? And I had them on my face and that was all that I had on my face, and they made my face feel really good, really soft. They dried down pretty fast. I mean, they were sticky for a little bit, but not too long. And they were nice, and I used them again like that and they were nice. And I guess they're not marketed as a primer, and I wasn't trying to use them as a primer, but I put them on, I guess, too soon after I put my foundation on. And if you do that, for me and my skin, my foundation broke apart. And I was wearing my favorite foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour. I was wearing that and it's never given me any problems. But I put these on underneath it, and I guess just put that on too fast before they dried down, and it broke apart on my chin and like on my nose. It was not good. But them alone as skincare I think could be good, but I have to use them a few more times to just, you know, see how they affect my skin. I actually have pretty sensitive skin and they have not broke me out or anything thus far. I also got the lippy scrub, and I mean, it's cute. Like, it's just a lip scrub. It's cute. I use it every now and then. I'm not going to use it right now because I have foundation on, but you know, they all smell really good. They smell like lemon cake. Like, not even like lemons, like lemon cake. I like it. So anyway, so that's how I feel about those. And let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadow palette. Ta-da! So here's the eyeshadow palette. This is what everybody has been loving and wanting, living for. You want to see me peel this off? I saw it in one of those Robbie D. Christie videos. People were commenting that they appreciate her waiting to take this off. so that y'all could see it. So I'll do that here too. So I'm not exactly sure. I also love that this has a mirror. Actually, I love that. Let's see. They are cruelty free. I don't know if they're vegan. Is Colourpop vegan? They might be. I don't know. I like cruelty free is like kind of a big thing for me because I love my fur babies so much, and I couldn't imagine like any animal being hurt over makeup. Anyway, cruelty free is a thing for me. I'm not vegan, so you know, but yeah, so if you're into that, Colourpop is cruelty free. This is a nice package, I think. I mean, I think so, because it's sturdy, like it's gonna hold up to a lot of stuff, I feel like. And then it's got the huge mirror, which I love because I have been doing my makeup in my compact mirrors recently, so that I am a fan of. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this big fluffy Colourpop brush, and I'm gonna go into Stinger right here and use it as my crease color. Not a lot of, I mean, really not hardly any fallout, but just a little bit of kickback, not much. I'm gonna tap off my brush and just go in. So I saw on my Instagram post where someone was like, they commented, they were like, not to be mean, but this just looks like a bunch of mustard shades. And I like wanted to comment back and be like, it is, but I didn't, because some people don't understand or know what's going on, I guess. I don't know, I just thought it was funny, because like it looks like a bunch of mustard shades because it is. That's the whole point of the palette, but you know, whatever. So of course that blended out perfectly. That's why I love Colourpop eyeshadows, because for me they blend out so well and I never have any problems. There's literally one Colourpop eyeshadow. Yeah, one Colourpop eyeshadow that I have used that has given me a problem, and it was probably my fault. It may not have been, but I never have any problems with these eyeshadows. So now I'm going to take this Morphe M502 brush in Oh Behave down here, and I'm going to just blend it a little bit farther down underneath that first shade. Okay, so that's super bright. I really was not ready. I used to not do yellow eyeshadow ever, but now I guess because it's the trend and like everybody does it, I have to be like everybody else and do it too. But I think it looks really pretty because I have like weird colored eyes. I like blue and green and brown. I don't know. I think it looks dope. So whatever. Back over the top to kind of blend that back out, and that's a trick that I do with every eyeshadow. I just take the previous brush, literally for the crease colors, I take the brush that I used before with either a little bit of additional product or no additional product, and just blend out the edges back over top of those colors, and normally that just makes everything blend. Take this Morphe brush that has no numbers, and there's a little bit of fallout on this one. I blew it away, sorry, but it wasn't anything major. I guess I'll just take Buzzkill right here and even go a little bit deeper into the crease, but I'm going to keep it on the outer edge. Does anyone watch Raw Beauty Christy? Because she's like my favorite, and I watched her review this palette, and honestly, like, it makes me happy. Seeing her review things makes me happy, because I don't have exactly the same like views or like opinions as her, but it just makes me happy. to watch her. I just took a little bit of that Oh Behave shade and I'm gonna blend that back out over top. I want it to look a little more yellowy. Honestly, I don't know why, but I do. And so I'm gonna take this Sweet Spot color right here and I'm gonna work that from the inner. I'm just taking that same Colourpop fluffy brush, whatever, and working that from the inner up. So kind of as another like crease color, but I'm gonna keep it in the front of my eye. Yeah, it feels sufficiently yellow now. So I'm gonna take, if I can find it. Yeah, I'm gonna just take this NARS concealer, Soft Matte Complete Concealer, that's what it's called, in Custard, and I'm going to cut my crease real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so there is my cut crease and I'm now going to take, so there is my cut crease and I'm now going to just take this little flat synthetic brush right here, this shader brush, and I'm going to dip into Queen Bee right here, if you can see it. And I'm going to try it with a dry brush first and see. Obviously I have concealer on my lid, but I'm going to try it with a dry brush first and see what it looks like. So that is it without wetting the brush. I'm actually just going to take some of this. I think that's pretty. Like, I don't think that it necessarily needs this. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'm just going to take this Wet and Wild Rose setting spray, and I'm going to wet the brush and do the same thing again. I'm trying to do like a halo eye, so I've got this darker color on the outsides of my eye, so that's kind of what I'm going for. I swear to you, the smell of rose is gagging. People out there love that smell. Like, people actually genuinely like that. Who are those people? Why are those people? You know, it's fine. Okay, so there we have that shade Queen Bee as my outside of my halo eye. So I'm just going to take this same brush and I'm going to dip into, I guess we'll dip into Sunburst right here. I'm going to put that in the center part. And I didn't put any additional water on the, or setting spray on the brush yet, but we're just going to see how it performs. So I do have to say, since all of these colors are so similar, it's hard to see like a drastic difference in the center of the eye, but I went ahead and wet the brush again, and I'm just going to dip into that Sunburst color and just, I got like a liquidy. Well, not liquidy, but yeah. I'm going to just put that in the center again real quick. Against my better judgment, I'm going to take Palooza here in the middle, which is just a pressed glitter. So if you use it on your eyes, which it says not to use it on your eye, I'm going to do it anyway. If you use it on your eye, please use a glitter glue. I use this one. I use this for literally everything. Normally I use it for my, like, obviously glitter, my like metallic shadows and everything. I use it on my lid for pretty much everything, but use a glitter glue because they are big chunks of glitter and they might flake off and you don't want to get that in your eye. So I'm just going to take Palooza on my fingertip and just dab it in the center. Alright, so there is one eye. I'm going to do the other eye, probably put on some brown eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and do this outro. I don't know if you can hear the rain. If you can, I'm really sorry. It keeps raining on and off, and I'm just going to have to do it. So I want to look like this. I want to wear this makeup for the rest of my actual life. I love it so much. I love the eye look. I know you can hear this rain. But yeah, I absolutely love this eye look with the bright lip. I love it. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the Honey palette. I think it's beautiful. I love it. I love the yellows. I'm really into the yellow thing right now because it's trendy and I am that chick. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, leave a comment, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and congratulations on the winner of the other palette, and we'll see you in the next video.